Alrighty, welcome back. Another charting session. So, as you can see right here, I did take a loss today, which is okay. Another loss. It's about $500 loss, and so we're just gonna go over, analyze what I could have done better, what went wrong, what went right, which did happen. Things did go right. Um, and overall just talk about the day. So today we did have PMI. So there was news in the morning. As you can see, we had this opening 6:30. Well, this was the 6:30 candle, but this was the main candle that we saw. Big push up. We saw all these major pushes to the upside, and I'm waiting because the beginning. The morning candles are very, very close to this buy side liquidity zone that I marked out. And yes, we pumped on NQ yesterday, so I'm expecting a pump on NQ today. But since we were so close to this buy side liquidity zone, I did want to take a short for a sort of a retracement on a higher time frame fair value gap or something along those lines. Um, so I was looking for a short since we were so close to buy side liquidity. I didn't really want to take a long. I didn't feel, necessarily comfortable with it taking a long right when we're like opening from here. We're literally like, less than like 100 points away, which is good. It is, but it's too close to that buy side range for me. And I wanted to get past the news. And by the time we were past the news, we were already uh, yeah, like 30 points away, not even 20 points away. So it honestly wasn't worth it for me. But when I did see the sweep of buy side liquidity, this is what I saw is we get this sweep of buy side liquidity up here. We create this imbalance, right? So I'm thinking, oh, we might push higher up into this buy side zone up here at 17,770, which is definitely possible. Um, and then I see what's it called? Um, I see this zone right here. I see this fair value gap get pushed. We have one here, we have one here, and we have one here. So we have a lot of fair value gaps coming along this range right here. And then I see this get ran through, which I was happy to see because that kind of gave me the confluence that okay, we're going to the downside. We had the sweep of liquidity. We had a market structure shift along this zone right here. It broke structure right here. I'm thinking, good. We're heading in the right direction of where I want to go. Um, and so everything was looking good. I put down my fair value gap. We had the sweep of liquidity. All those things got hit. So then this becomes this 1 minute fair value gap becomes a 1 minute inverse fair value gap, which if you don't know, an inverse fair value gap is when it gets ran through and you use the other side of it to play whatever side you're looking for. And so I'm looking at this and I'm thinking this is perfect. This is a good setup. We had the sweep of buy side. I was waiting. I was patient with everything. And here we are. I'm going to catch a retracement. I was going to catch a retracement literally just down to this buy side, or yeah, to this sell side zone right here. So 60-point move. It might be a little crazy, but that's where I just felt that the market wanted to go for a light retracement and come back up to the upside and take out, ending the day with this buy side at 1770, like I said before. And so, I set my limit order at the bottom of the fair value gap, or it was more like right wherever this wicked right here. Yeah, it was like a little above it, so it could wick it. Um, and then we wick, everything starts to look good. We're heading down. I play like I said, my normal two contracts, my normal two mini contracts on NQ. Everything looks good, and then it hits my stop loss. Like I said, I think it was about a 550 maybe loss, which is okay. I'm not upset about it because it was more it was more of just kind of this not so great price action today that didn't work out very well. I didn't really like it. After this, I did maybe look for something else, but as you can see, it was sideways the entire day. Like even into the aftermarket session, we're just sideways. Like there's no trades to take. I mean, it might have been high volume and stuff like that, but after this opening and sweep of buy side, there was literally nothing. Which part of me does give that good confluence that we might have that retracement that I was looking for today, tomorrow, and then to take that 17,770 range. So about, I want to get us back to like 17,500, and then for us to take 17,770 tomorrow, which would look really, really nice. Um, so yeah, I mean, that was pretty much the trade for today. I will say though that the one thing that I am happy about is I stuck with patience. I only took one trade today, whether it was a win or loss. And I did a lot of things right, even though I did lose the trade. I did a lot of things right, which I think is a good thing. You know, you should always look at the good side of things and take these losses as lessons. Um, and it was just some bad price action today. I'll know that. Tomorrow, I don't know what the news is tomorrow. I have to look, but I can't remember. I don't think there's crazy news tomorrow. I think it's just really early in the pre-market session that there's news before market opens, like an hour before market opens, I think. So tomorrow might be a good trading day. You know, we'll see. Maybe we won't trade. Maybe we will. It depends on how what the market does for us. But yeah, I think there was a lot of things that I could have definitely waited for on this, but there's also so many of those boxes that got checked for me um, that I really wanted to see get hit, and they did. And so I took the trade and I lost, and it is what it is. Uh, you win, you lose. That's just the way it is. I'm now officially negative on the funded account. Um, I was about, that's actually a good thing because my max drawdown after you hit 52,000 like $100 or something like that, your max drawdown is stays at 50,000. So if I would have blown my account, or not blown it, but I would have lost my account today, but I didn't because I never got up to that 52 100 range. I was like at 51 800 range or 51 700 range, so it went down. But that's okay. I'm negative on the account now. I'm not too worried about it. Because like I said at one of my first videos, I think my first or second video, I was talking about how what happens from now until June 1st, which is the beginning of summertime for me, after I graduate. I want to be by June 1st, have an account set up. I want to be like maybe $1,000 up on a funded like fund getting if I do fail this funded account, or not fail, if I do lose this one, then I can get another one and go from there again. I'd like to be at least $1,000 up on a past funded account, no matter if it's this one or another one after that, by June 1st. That is my goal. Um, and I'm gonna stick with that goal. And I'm gonna, you guys are gonna be here for it. You're gonna see every day my charting sessions and all that kind of stuff. So also I wanted to ask y'all if you want to see, my weekend life and stuff like that, because you see me sitting here in front of the computer every day, charting, doing all that kind of stuff. Just you know, letting you guys know what the plan is for the week, for the day, for the hour. Um, so let me know if you guys want to see some weekend type stuff. And then also, I'm begging you guys to put down in the comments if you want a Discord and things like that, because I think that'd be super cool. Um, and yeah, so also on another good note, if we come over here to the 4 hour, we're looking really, 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 really good on NQ. Um, all that momentum I wanted us to break, we did. We took. I mean, look at this. All these 4 hour candles, bullish, 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 bullish. Like we're extremely bullish right now, which I called at the beginning of the week. Did I not? I mean, you guys can go back and look and see that at the beginning of the week, I did call us to be bullish um, for the coming week. So I'm like I said, I'm looking for all these zones to come get hit, right? Um, I do think that it might tap into this 4 hour right here, this 4 hour for value gap right here, and maybe do something with it. I don't necessarily know. I don't think it will. It might have a slight reversal into, for example, this zone right here. It might have a slight reversal into this zone right here. And then after hitting this zone, we rally through here. We play the inverse, boom, boom, boom. But then again, this is the 4 hour chart. We'll keep looking through this continuously through the week. Major fair value gaps up here and all that kind of stuff. So, price is always moving to rebalance inefficiencies and hunt liquidity. So that's what we're going to be looking for the rest of the week. Yeah, so I think that's pretty much it. Kind of a short charting session today. I do want to let you guys know that I am starting a new playlist on my channel. It'll be on my channel. It's just basically ICT concept videos of each different concept that I trade and that I use, and things that I will be using in the future, going over them, how I'm going to use them. So if you guys want to check that out, that video is posted right now. So both these videos will be posted on the same night. I'll be doing 2 videos and 2 shorts per night from now on. Um, until I finish up that ICT concepts videos. So yeah, it should be pretty good. I'm enjoying this so far. I love the support. I mean, less than a week, I already have like 22 subscribers or something like that. So I mean, I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but imagine 22 people in a room who want to watch you do stuff, right? It's cool. I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, I hope everyone has a good rest of your night. I hope you guys, learned something from today, whether you won or lost. And yeah, have a good rest of your nights. And I'll see you on the markets tomorrow.